AB. Okay, so for this first you need to derive strings in language. So it should start with AB. So minimum string is AB. Then you can have string starting with AB, that is ABB or ABA, ABAA, AB, and so on. Starting should be AB in every string. Okay. So now based on this we need to construct NFA. So now check the string length. Minimum string length equal to this is the minimum string. So length is 2. That means number of strings required or number of states required equal to n plus 1. That is minimum string length is n. 2 plus 1 is 3. So here you need to take 3 states. Let them be Q0, Q1 and Q2. And Q2 is your final state. Now, so here string should start with AB. So let us take this as A, B. And before this your string should not contain any alphabet. So we can't give any self clue. Okay. And after AB you can have any number of A's and B's. So in case of DFA we need to consider alphabet on every state. Like alphabet means symbols. If you have 2 symbols AB, then you need to take both the symbols on every state. So see, suppose here Q0 on A we apply. Similarly, you need to apply B on Q0. Okay, on every state we need to apply all symbols in sigma. Whereas in NFA no need to apply that. So if we need to apply, then we usually we used to do these type of problems. If string should not start with B, then we'll move that string to dead state. Whereas here it's not required because it's not mandatory that we need to take all strings present in the alphabet. Only according to the given question we can take. So you can stop this answer here. So this satisfies the given condition. String starting with AB, and after AB you can have any number of A's and B's. Now let us construct NFA for substring AB. So this is first one. Second one, substring is AB. So again you can take same language. No, we can't use same language, right? Substring means again minimum string length is AB, and this should be a substring. So before and after you can have any number of A's and B's. So this is a substring as well as AB, ABB. Again AB is a substring in this also, or AAB, AB. Again AB is a substring, and so on. Fine. Now from this also same. Minimum string is AB. So minimum string length is 2. So that number of states required will be 2 plus 1, that equal to 3. Now based on this criteria, you need to consider 3 states. So let us take 3 states: Q0, Q1, Q2. Q2 is the final state. And this AB should be substring. So let us take minimum string AB, and then before AB you can have any number of A's and B's, after B any number of A's and B's. So you can keep it as a self loop, A comma B. Similarly on Q2 also A comma B. So this is quite simple, right? At the middle you can have AB as it is a substring. Before that you can have any number of A's and B's. So in this case it applies, right? This is middle one, before any number of A's and B's. Similarly, after getting the substring, you can have any number of A's and B's. So these are the solutions for this first and second questions.